Hi everyone. I hope you're all ready for week 2 of Blended Learning 101. Last week was filled with a lot of activity. We had a huge discussion going on with the introduction or the welcome discussion where everybody introduced themselves. We had really good response to that. We actually had 158 total responses for that discussion. The reason I put that activity in there was to promote instructor to student interaction as well as student to student interaction, and that's a really good way to start building a safe and secure environment for your students. So I hope you enjoyed that activity, and we also did some reading on learning theories, and learning theories we'll learn this week. We'll kind of start including the learning theory constructivism in the development of your course objectives. Each one of the learning theories really has a place in blended learning. I'm not saying that any one theory is any better than another. I just really like the constructivism theory and how it applies to blended and online learning. So we're going to use the constructivism theory moving forward. I took the information from last week and I compiled a table or a reference table that brings all the theories together, and it gives you some ideas of the principles, the pedagogy behind the theories, and also some of the activities that might support the theory, as well as just a really brief idea of what assessment you might use along with those theories. Again, we are going to use the constructivism theory moving forward for our next week as we start developing our course objectives. And the reason I like constructivism, and I really think it supports the blended learning model, is because it's an active learning theory, and it relies on collaboration and team building, and not only that, but it also relies on experience. So using your experience that you're bringing into the course along with some really rich backgrounds. And I think from the discussion that we had last week, you can all agree that all of us have a pretty rich and interesting set of experiences that we're bringing into this classroom. So I think that the constructivist theory will work nicely as we're moving forward. I have a set of readings for you for this week, plus an activity, a blog activity. So we're going to try the blog this week, and you will see how it differs from the discussion board, and we will tie in what we learned last week and bring it forward in our activities this week, and we'll just keep moving forward from week to week. As we build stuff, we will just build on it, build on the next week. So enjoy week number 2, and I will see you in the blog. Thank you.